You've been waiting, thinking, planning. But let me tell you, real estate isn't just an investment. It's the key to building wealth and freedom. If you're on the sidelines, it's time to get in the game. Start your real estate journey now. Why real estate? Because it's the fastest way to make your money work for you. While stocks and savings accounts inch along, real estate creates velocity. You buy, you rent, you reinvest. The cash flows, the equity grows, and you're building wealth with every step. And let's not forget the tax benefits. Depreciation, deductions, and incentives, they can save you thousands. Real estate investors don't just grow their money, they keep more of it, legally. Sure, people say, but real estate isn't liquid. Guess what? That's actually a good thing. It forces you to think long-term and keeps your wealth growing steadily. And when you need it, refinancing or selling unlocks massive potential. The longer you wait, the more opportunities pass you by. Don't let fear hold you back. You don't need millions to start, just the courage to take that first step. Buy a duplex, house hack, invest small. Every step forward is a step toward financial freedom. Every property you buy isn't just a building, it's a step toward freedom. Freedom from the 9-to-5 grind. Freedom to live life on your terms. And the best part? It works while you sleep. I'm telling you from experience, waiting only costs you time and money. I started small, and looking back, my only regret was not starting sooner. Don't make that mistake. Start today. Start small, but start. Real estate isn't just an investment. It's the most powerful wealth-building tool you'll ever have. Stop overthinking, start acting, and take control of your financial future. Your journey to freedom starts with that first property.